Say hi, Maddie. Are you in the kitchen with Grandma? Grandma's making cookies in her new kitchen. And Matthew's sitting on the island watching her bake. Right? Say hi. Can you say hi? And Rob's watching TV. Say hi, Rob. Charlie's working at the dining room table. Say hi, Mom. Say hi, Grandma.
Hello.
Okay, Maddie, you're going to end the video. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? He says, no, not yet. I can't say bye-bye just yet. Bye-bye.